So in honor of the hurricane and Halloween, which we will most likely be stuck inside because of the stupid hurricane, I am going to make a Harry Potter food thing from my unofficial Harry Potter cookbook, which about 2 summers ago I was completely obsessed with, and I couldn't really make anything well, but the stuff tasted good anyway. So I'm thinking I'm going to make some cauldron cakes. I would really like some pumpkin juice, but I don't have any, and I can't go outside because of Sandy. So, yes. Or maybe I'll make some Irish soda bread. But I don't have any of those things. Yeah, so the only thing I can make is cauldron cake, so I'm going to do that. Close enough.